Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking down access. Set a 6+ digit PIN or a long passphrase, and enable biometrics only after a PIN is set. Once done, turn on Android Backup and verify a recent backup to the cloud or to an external drive so you can restore quickly. Make sure Find My Device is active and your Google Recovery contact is current. This lets you locate, lock, or wipe if the phone is lost or stolen. You now harden the system, install pending OS and security updates, and enable automatic patching so critical fixes arrive without delay. Next, audit app permissions, revoke location, camera, microphone access when unnecessary, and uninstall apps you do not use. Also activate Play Protect, avoid unknown APKs, and prefer apps from the official store. This reduces malware risk. Finally, restrict background data. You finish by protecting data in transit and recovery options. Enable full disk encryption if not already active, and shorten the lock screen timeout. When on public Wi-Fi, use a trusted VPN and disable auto-join for open networks. Set up two-factor authentication for key accounts and store recovery codes securely offline. If something goes wrong, first check backups and Google Find My Device. If the phone is compromised, perform a factory reset, restore from a known good backup, and change account passwords immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.